photon observation. You know, the freaking photons going through these different holes, man, once you have an observer there. I don't know if you guys know about the photon experiment. Let me quickly read this up so you guys get an idea of it. Photon experiment. The double slit experiment is a foundational quantum physics experiment showing that light exhibits both wave and particle characteristics. When photons are fired at a screen with two slits, they form an interference pattern, suggesting that they pass through both slits as waves. However, detecting which slit a photon passes through collapses this behavior, forcing it to act as a particle and destroying the pattern. So it says like when you're passing photons, aka light, through two slits, they act like a wave, you know, they'll act like a laser when you're not observing them. When you're not observing them, they act like a freaking laser, as if it's like water and this laser hits the wall and divides into two and going through those two slits. But as soon as you start watching them, they start behaving more like a, not like a laser, not like a wave, but more like an individual piece of light passing through one freaking hole at a time, if I remember. And it's destroying the pattern, and no one is able to figure out like why is it happening? Why is it that this is happening when you observe, and when you don't observe this thing, you know, fascinating. Even I couldn't answer that. It's mind-boggling in a way. Maybe someone has answers for this out there. But yeah, this was something that kept me thinking, is it possible that maybe us watching somehow is affecting the quantum physics? But if that is possible, it literally means whatever we see or we envision actually becomes a reality, or it affects reality at a freaking quantum physics level. Or could it be that us watching has some sort of I don't know, a reality altering thingy going on, like a magnetic effect at a molecular level where it disrupts the pattern just by us looking? Which is, you know, which is mind-boggling. Think about, like, could we be affecting the wave pattern because a photon is passing through, and maybe us watching, the sight that we have, whatever we are reflecting through our retinas, whatever the light is coming, maybe there's some going out as well, and it's affecting that wave pattern, and thus that's why it's disrupting the wave from the photons and making it more like a particle. I don't know. I'm just thinking stupid, and probably it's all of it is BS. But yeah.